In this video, I will show you how to use the Viggle AI. So Viggle AI is an AI-powered animation platform that allows you to take any character image and make it move, dance, or perform actions using your reference video. So here you can swap any character into any motion. You can just add the motion as well as the image. So for this case, let's head over and add those. Let me first add the actual image. Input that right here, or you can also just get from library. Make sure as well that you're already logged in into your account from here. So on this case, I have chosen Spider-Man, and for this motion, you can just search their library, or you can also upload one of your own. Let me just search for the library. You can find in here some motions. So let's choose in here this one. And here is the mix. Can just add it right here. Choose right here the model. We have some free models right here, as well as some premium ones. So you can skip the queue and watermark if you want to by just subscribing to Pro. Once you have decided your assets, head over and click onto this mix option right here. And as you can see, this will generate the motion with your chosen character. So you can just wait for this to finish. They have some free generations that you can choose from right here. And once it's done, you should be able to see it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.